Hello everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps. New day, new filming area. I am currently in Lily's room because it's kind of loud in the rest of the house. Caleb is shrink wrapping stuff today, which means the heat gun is going in the background. I am uploading this video on April 4th, which is the Wednesday of the great soap release for March. Also, again, we are tripling the stock, so we're going to have a lot more available this time. Today's video is the Cotton Candyland soap, which I was so proud of myself for coming up with that name. I just thought it was so fitting. It is another soap where I blended lots and lots of different fragrances, but it really did smell like candy. If you aren't following me on Instagram, please do that because, well, you should. And without further ado, let's get soap making. The first step, of course, is to mix the lye water solution into the oils. If you're new around here, I'll go ahead and explain what I have in this bucket. I have some organic, sustainably sourced palm oil. I have coconut oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, and castor oil. And then here I have sodium hydroxide or lye that has been mixed with the water. And I have gloves on to protect my hands because sodium hydroxide is a caustic substance. It can burn your skin, so it's good to put proper safety precautions in place. I also have safety goggles on, but you can't see that because you can't see my face. I'm gonna pour the lye water solution into the oils and not the other way around. If you pour the oils into lye water solution, bad things can happen. Namely, pretty much a soap volcano. I'm now going to blend this on high with my stick blender until it thickens up. This soap will be comprised of 4 different colors, and I'm gonna pour off my accent colors now. I haven't added fragrance oil or anything to the batch yet. It's just raw unscented soap. Now it's time to color. So in the big bucket, I'm going to be putting some titanium dioxide that I've mixed with water. Make it a nice white color. Into a little container here, I'm gonna add some neon blue that I got from fizzfairy.ca and some of their hot pink as well. And she has some really awesome biodegradable glitter. So if you're a crafter, I highly recommend her. To the 4th container, I'm gonna be adding some Raging Raspberry. That's from TKB. It's a very strong color. And then to all 3 of the colored containers, I'm adding just a little bit of titanium dioxide to take them from those really vivid neons to some pastels. And now it's time to blend from lightest to darkest. The colors are all mixed in, so now it's time to add the fragrance oil. The fragrance oil is another in-house blend, just like I did for the Boho Dreams soap. Sometimes companies send me sampler sets of different fragrance oils that they have just released, but it's never really enough for me to create a full batch with. So what I do is I save them, and then I'll put together a soap creation utilizing all of those fragrance oils. So I'll mix up all the fragrance oils that smell really similar and create a really cool batch with it. The fragrance oil has been blended into the colors, so I'm gonna start pouring it into the molds. The white is thickening up a little faster than all the other colors because titanium dioxide tends to have that effect on soap. Now I'm gonna add in the blue. Then we're gonna do some pink, and I'm holding it up from pretty high so that it goes all the way down to the bottom. And I am pouring most of it in at this time. I'll come back and scrape the containers later. And then I'm gonna put in some purple. The purple has remained pretty liquid, so it's gonna make a really cool swirl on the inside. When one color is more liquid than all the other colors, for some reason, I think that swirl always ends up looking better. Back to the white, I'm gonna pour from up high. Once again, try to break all that up. Man, this reminds me of like the Willy Wonka It reminds me of the Willy Wonka candy wrappers for like nerds ropes. I'm gonna do a quick scrape here with my spatula. Scrapey all the edges really quick because it's thickening up. Ah! And then I'm going to tap these molds down on the ground to get rid of all of the air bubbles and to make sure that this is as level as I can possibly get it at this stage in the thickness. And this is what the soap looks like once all of the batter is in the mold. So I'm gonna let this sit up for a little while I mix up the soap frosting to put on top. My piping is super runny, but we're gonna try to do it anyway because I'm really impatient. Oh yeah, Caleb, I forgot to tell you to turn the music off. Oh well, let's see how this goes. Okay, well it's not like dripping out. All right, well maybe all is going to be good here. I am using the Royalty Soaps piping set to pipe this soap. It is available at nurturesoap.com, and whenever you purchase it, you also get access to my soap frosting recipe and an exclusive library of videos that I created just for the Royalty Soaps piping set customers. Ah, oh no. Okay, so maybe it's still a little runny. The two colors in the piping are the Raging Raspberry and also titanium dioxide, so it's a nice mixture. The embeds are a pink and a blue, so I figured that I should probably use the purple on the piping itself. I think I'm gonna go all the way down the mold just in case I kind of mess it up again with the piping because it's too runny. Caleb, what is the new Planet Earth show that you and I have been watching?
Blue Planet 2.
Oh, Blue Planet 2. It's so fascinating. If you like documentaries of that nature, I highly recommend it.
Some would even call them nature documentaries.
Oh gosh. See, I don't know who's stupid in this situation. I don't know if it's me for not saying that first or if it's you for butting in with the commentary. Anyway, it is really good. The cinematography, I've never seen anything like it. I'm pretty sure that it's like groundbreaking, the way that they filmed those underwater scenes. And of course, who doesn't like the sound of David Attenborough's voice? Is it really a documentary if he's not narrating? Very soon here, we will be doing another type of fundraiser for my sister Pollyanna because we would like to get her a little indoor playhouse because going outside is not really an option for her. And I thought, wouldn't it be fun to take a regular old playhouse and kind of like Joanna Gaines the crap out of that sucker and make it like a modern farmhouse playhouse? Can Joanna Gaines be used as a verb? I feel like it can. And for those of you who may not know, Joanna Gaines and her husband Chip Gaines are the couple behind the TV show on HGTV Fixer Upper, and they have a little like business of cute indoor interior decorating items in Waco, Texas. So very close to me, and I've never gone. Please don't hate me. Those of y'all who are like, live way too far away and it's your dream to go. I live literally like an hour and a half and I've never been, but it's so crowded. Anyway, I think you guys are really gonna like what we're doing for the fundraiser for that project. And then of course, as I work on that project, I'm gonna try to get it done in time for her birthday, which is May 8th. And I will film the process and probably upload it on my second channel. The piping on top is complete, so it's time to add the embeds. And the first one that I'm going to be putting on top are these beautiful blue hearts, and they have a little bit of glitter mix in them. It's the Cotton Candy blend from fizzfairy.ca. These are so cute. And what a fitting name. So I'm just going to stick them in on the sides. I'm going to make sure that they're all on the same side. That way when I cut it, I can put it on the, well, it's just, it has to do where the wires are so they don't get whacked off. The fragrance that I whipped up for this soap does smell like cotton candy, but for those of y'all who are too afraid that it's gonna smell like super sweet, we think it smells like cotton candy because of like the cotton candy flavor more than like kind of that really sticky sweet smell. I mean, it is sweet, but it's not overwhelmingly powerful and kind of not sweet in a gross way, if that makes sense. Oh my gosh. So it just now occurred to me that this piping totally looks like the Disney animated Cheshire Cat. All the hearts are in, so it's time to add the second embed, which are these beautiful sort of peachy, coral, very warm toned pink soap gumballs. They also have some glitter on top. I put Pollyanna Sparkle on top. That's from Fizz Fairy. It's the special glitter blend that she made for the Pollyanna bars. And it's so, so pretty. So I'm gonna put one of these on each soap. You guys know I like to make a few of my soap bars really special. So on a couple of them, I'm going to add a star. I made these with a little mold that I got from Brambleberry, oh gosh, probably 3 years ago. I don't even know if they still have it anymore. But a few lucky duckies are gonna get some stars on their soap bar. And a few lucky duckies are gonna get some diamonds on there. So if it has a star, I won't put a diamond on, but if it doesn't have a star, I might just squeeze one right there on the side. And now it's glitter time. I'm gonna be using some cotton candy from the Fizz Fairy. It is the perfect color. It's blue and pink with some bigger pieces and some little pieces. I'm just gonna sprinkle that on this side here. It literally like matches the inside colors exactly. We're gonna put some rainbow biodegradable glitter on top as well. And then finally, another cool thing that I have here is the Crazy Colors Silver Airbrush Glitter. This is the best airbrush spritzer that I have personally come across, and the glitter inside is like super fine. It hasn't clogged up. It comes out perfect every single time. I'm really, really happy with this, and it's way easier to do this than it is to like mix up mica in a little like spritzer with rubbing alcohol. That just takes so much time. You run the risk of your sprayer getting clogged up. It's not even worth it. But this, it makes it so much easier to get the same effect. Everything has a very frosty, shimmery appearance now. So I'm gonna spritz it down with rubbing alcohol to seal everything in place. And my friends, we have completed the cotton Candyland bars. Here's a little close-up so you guys can see the frosty, shimmery appearance. It really does look like big, billowy clouds of cotton candy. It looks scrumptious. We're gonna wait 18 to 24 hours, let them harden up in the molds, and then we'll come back and chop them into individual bars. We are back 48 hours later to cut the Cotton Candyland soap, and it smells so amazing as soon as you pull it right out of the mold. So I'm gonna line it up with my cutter to make sure that I don't smash the embeds. Okay, I'm gonna press down gently. And let's pull out one from the middle. Ta-da! This is what it looks like on the inside. That piping is seriously so much fun, and I love the heart on the side. It totally matches the glitter and the inside of the soap as well. And the smell is delicious. It really does smell like candy. It's so good. So the question of the day is, would you rather win the lottery or double the length of your life? I personally think I would rather just win the lottery. Because if I live double as long, everyone I know right now would die, and I would have to make new friends. And I would probably have to live like 50 plus years without Caleb and Lily, and I don't think I would enjoy that very much. If you would like to vote, you can click the I in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Oh, look at this one with the little star. It's so cute and sparkly. I like this one too. I don't know what it looks like. It kind of looks like 2 eyeballs or something. Caleb, come over here and tell me what you think this looks like.
Yeah, it's a frog.
Yes, a little frog face. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hey, if you feel so inclined, you can click the notification bell so the soap fairy alerts you every time I upload a new video. I have no reason to be this bouncy. I'm just really happy today. I don't know what to tell you. And remember, if you like the bar in this video, and if you like any of the soaps that I've made in March, then you should come visit my shop tonight. It opens at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. The next couple of soap batches I have planned are amazing, and I also have some videos that are not necessarily soap related, like I have a Q&A planned. I have a DIY silicone mold planned. April's gonna be a great month, folks. If you're new around here, gee, thanks for watching, and of course to the people who have been part of the royal court for a very long time, I really appreciate you. I also just wanted to let you know that in upcoming videos, I will have a short commercial break right in the middle, right before I cut the soap and right after I show you the finished wet soap look. I felt it was only fair to let you guys know that that is coming your way. And until next time, I hope you all have an absolutely royal week. Be you, have fun, do something today that makes you happy, and I will see you guys on Saturday. So until then, bye for now. Meow.